This video is a short recap of the beginner's tango, routine 1. Now that's the ballroom tango, not Argentine tango. So beginner's ballroom tango, routine 1. It's a solo routine. This has been taught previously in a full 1 hour class. A little couple of minutes recap. I'm going to face the front, call out the steps, walk them through a couple of times, and then you have a record of what you've done before. So we started in this particular routine with our left foot, and we did our walking forwards. We sink down a couple of inches because we're in ballroom tango, and we're going left, right, left, and tap the right. We then went to the side, quick, 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 quick. So the 4 walks forwards were slow, and the side ones were quick. So we will go slow, 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 and slow, quick, 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 quick. We repeated the same thing backwards now. Right foot is available, ready to go. We were working in a square because we were teaching this in a living room. So these small, short, solo practice routines are designed to be done in a small space where we haven't got the opportunity to move around too much. So we've adapted some of the steps and improvised a little bit. So we're going slow, 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 and slow, quick, 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 quick. That was our first section. Second section, we're going to do a progressive link where I take my weight forward slightly and then forwards but slightly to the side, and then I look to the promenade position. That's my link, and that is going to be quick, quick. Okay, so I'm going to do quick, quick, and look. Now there's hardly any weight on that toe. If you notice the heels off the floor, maybe just a tiny little bit resting on the inside of the big toe, okay? But I could just pick that up if I wanted to. Now, I'm going towards my sofa, slow, quick, quick, slow. So if you didn't join me in the full 1 hour class, please do check that out in the playlist. I do explain a lot more about the timing and the reasons for the slows and the quicks. This is just a recap of the routine. If you know enough ballroom tango, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Slow, quick, quick, slow. So let's do section 2, the progressive link to the closed promenade. And quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. That was section 2. Now, section 3, I will be a little bit more towards my sofa, and I have a little bit more of a rectangle in my room. So I'm going to do 2 open reverse turns. And I'm actually doing them on what would normally be the man's steps. Okay, so if I was dancing with this as a partner, this would be the man's steps. I'm under rotating. Okay, in the ballroom we would have much more room, but I'm under rotating and I'm working on 90-degree angles because 90-degree angles are just perfect for a room with 4 walls. If you're in a circular room, if you live in a lighthouse, yes, you're going to have a problem because I'm working on 4 walls, but you're going to get the idea. So I'm going to go left forwards, right forwards, 90-degree turn, left back, right back, 90-degree turn as I step to the side, and then I close my feet. Okay, let's do that once more. Forwards, forwards, back, back, side, close. It's 6 steps, and the timing is quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Haven't improvised on that at all. That is the exact steps and the exact timing as I would dance as a leader with a partner. I'm actually going to repeat that now twice. Reason being, it gets me back to where I started. So I'm going quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. Okay, so that was section 3. Again, keeping it nice and simple in the living room, nice rectangular shape. Now the next one, I'm going to come central to the camera just so that you can see. The next one, we played around with some step taps and some little flicks and some weight transfers and drags. Okay, so in our ballroom tango dance with a partner, these are set figures that go on a particular foot in a particular direction with a particular set of timing associated, and they're called figures because they are prescribed by the ballroom and Latin world, and they're universal steps. Everyone learns them the exact same way, so we know what they are, and in a competition or an exam everyone dances the same thing. However, this is a A little bit of freestyle and a bit of fun. It's a routine we made up just to have some fun at home and for you guys to practice. So put that out of your head, because I've played with timing and I've played with steps just to create a nice simple, well not simple because it's a little bit challenging for beginners, but a nice routine that can be done easily in the living room. Okay, so artistic license on my part here. Let's start with our left foot stepping in place and our right foot pointing out to the side. Little look to the right hand wall, okay, if I can with my head. I then close back in, look to the front, go out to the side. We do a lot in tango with left and right head, okay. It's going in and out of a promenade position, which means looking over the joined hands, depending on whether I'm the man or the lady. So the point is going that way and the head, okay. So I'm going left, point, right, point, left, point, right, point. Okay, so we did 4 of them, keeping it simple. These little routines at home, I like to work in 4s, 6s, 8s, things that make it simple to repeat and get the hang of. Nothing too crazy. Now, from here, after those 4, my left foot was out to the side, there I was. I'm going to do a little brush tap. So I'm going to brush something off my shoe, okay? It's like a little boom, and put it down. So boom, boom, transfer my weight. 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 Okay, so again, a little bit of a step that does exist and a little bit of an exchange of steps just to give us a nice set of routine. So that is the next section. That's the section with the taps and the points. Okay, so let us do that section 3, which is all the taps and the point. Step, point, step, point, step, point, step, point, flick, flick, wait, flick, flick and wait, flick, flick, wait, flick, flick, wait. Now I'm going to call the timing out this time, so I'm going to do that section again with the timing. Here we go. A quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. There we go. Last section for this routine is a Spanish drag, and this is almost identical to how I would dance it with a partner, and I will be doing the leader's steps, okay? So we finished with that foot out to the side. I'm actually going to exchange my weight again, slightly to the side, little bit of a lunge position, look over my right leg, drag it in, boom, boom, stamp point, okay? So I've gone from here, weight transfer, go right into the leg, little look, close my feet, boom, boom, and look straight ahead, because that was the end of our little section, and we're going to start the routine again. So now let me dance the whole routine for you slowly with all the counts. This is the bit that's important. From the very beginning, left foot, let's sit down. Slow, 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 slow. Quick, 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 quick. Slow, 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 and slow. Quick, 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 quick. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. 2 open reverse turns. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, and slow, 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 and slow. That last one is 4 slows, the Spanish drag. The little step at the end is counted as a slow because it's 2 counts. What happens is, on this bit, we've gone slow, slow, slow. This bit we do fast action, boom, boom, and then hold for the next part of the count. So it takes up the amount of time as a slow, but it's technically a fast action. I'm going to do it once more for you, okay, because this one was a bit challenging, and then I'll leave you to keep replaying the video. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, and slow, 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 and tap. Quick, 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 slow, 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 and slow, A quick, 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 quick. A quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Slow, 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 and slow. There we have it. Beginner's solo tango, ballroom tango, routine 1, little summary. Good luck.